Hi, Umpile. When the letter O sits next to another letter O, so in other words, the double O, the sound that is produced or is made by the double O sounds like oo. Like in the words l, u, k, look, b, u, k, book, t, u, l, tool, r, u, m, room, k, u, l, cool, br, u, m, broom, and d, u, m, doom. The sentences for those words are: I look with my eyes. I look, look, with, with, my, eyes. We cannot hear the sound for the letter E, and we cannot hear the sound for this letter E. So the only sounds we can hear in the words eyes are I. Remember, the letter Y can also make the I sound and the Z sound. When the letter S has the two lines in the coding, it sounds like Z. So the sounds are eyes, eyes. I like to read a book. I like to read, read a book. My dad fixed a car with a tool. My dad fixed a car with a tool. The fan is making my room very cool. The fan is making my room very cool. We'll do sentence number 5 and 6 in the next video.